Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome to today's video. You are welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. If you are watching my video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and let's get right into the video. Yeah, so we are cutting our scotch bonnet pepper here, trying to prepare for the sauce. So this is the green pepper, and I'm using the red scotch bonnet pepper as well. Then, yeah, I'm still showing you the pepper. Yeah. So yeah, she's cutting with her hand. Yeah, that's my student. She's cutting the pepper with her hand. Here's my fish. We are using shower for today's video, and this is the bulb of onion. I'll be using half for the sauce, then half to cook my fish. Yeah, so that's what I am going to do with that. And yeah, she's cutting, she's trying. I cannot do this myself. So here is my sugar, my butter, and my baking powder. I'll drop the measurement in the description box below, so please do go to the description box to get the measurement. This is my flour. I used 300 grams of flour for this recipe. Then going straight, I'm about to boil my fish, so I'm dropping my fish into the pot. Pardon my pot, please. This is what I use in my shop. So added water, and I added salt and my seasoning cube. So this is my salt and my seasoning cube. I just keep this thing simple. You can go ahead with any seasoning you want. You can add your adobo, you can add any one you want. So yeah, she's cutting onion for the fish. So yeah, I'm about to make the dough. I poured my flour into my bowl. Yeah, I went straight up into it, and I added the rest. I have already sieved this flour, by the way. I've sieved the flour, by the way. So yeah, I have my sugar, my butter, and my baking powder. So I'll be pouring that into it, and I'll be mixing it with the tip of my finger, just to slightly incorporate all the measurement, all the recipe together, rather the ingredients together. So that's what she's doing here. Please consider subscribing if you have not. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and drop a sweet comment for me, please. Your comments get me going, they encourage me. Yeah, so she's just trying to mix it with the tip of her fingers, like so. Yeah, we are having salt. We added just a tsp spoon of salt to the measurement. Like I said, I'll be dropping the measurement in the description box below, so you can easily go there, pick the measurement, and try it out. And if you do, please let me know. So just mixing it, and yeah, I'm adding water already. I'm adding my water little at a time. You can substitute your water for milk, but in this case I am using water. I did not use milk. You can substitute it for milk if you want to, but I just went in with water instead. So that's just what I'm doing. She's just trying to mix. We're trying to form a dough. We don't want it to be stretchy, so we just want to form a dough. Hence she's not stretching the mixture, just trying to incorporate the water into it to form a dough. So that is what she's doing right here. So don't stress your dough. It is a baking powder item, a baking powder recipe, not yeast. So don't stress it, just incorporate it gently and form a dough. That's all. So yeah, I formed the dough, and I wrapped it in my cling film to rest for 3 to 5 minutes before I proceed. So that's what happened there. And yeah, my fish is cooked, so I just brought it off fire. I want it to cool down a bit before I go into flake. I have to flake it and remove the excess bones from it. So yeah, this is what I'm doing here. We're trying to remove the bone from the fish. Voiceover is not easy, please pardon me. It's not easy. So just here we're trying to remove it with our spoon. Please remove the bone as much as you can. I used shower fish here, and if you know shower very well, you know it's very, very bony. So I tried to remove as much bone, as many bones as we can. And so that's what we are trying to sort out here. You won't enjoy it if you are eating your fish roll and you are having bone everywhere. So just try as much as possible to remove as much bone as you can. And that's what we are doing there. So yeah, then in the same pot, I just added little oil, added my pepper and my onion, my chopped onion and pepper. I added it into it, and I dumped in my fish. Then I added little stock, fish stock, to cook it together, just for them to marry each other well. So that's what I did here. I'm dumping in my fish here. I'm just pouring it into it. Then I mixed it together. Yeah. So at this point, this is what we have here. I've added little fish stock to it. So this is my filling. You can see how lush and beautiful and colorful it looked. So beautiful. You can use this to eat fish, eat yam. Yeah. So yeah, I started rolling out my dough. I cut a bit, I rolled out, then I fill it. It's just that easy. It's a very easy method, a very easy recipe. It is easy to get. It is beginner friendly. Just keep on rolling it. Don't press it too much. Just roll it gently to form the length you want. Then you fill in your fish. Then you roll together. It's that easy. Yeah, I filled in my fish, and I'm using my egg to bind it. I am using my egg as my binder for it. So I just roll it like so. And yeah, she's trying to cover the edges so that the fish does not pour back into the oil while frying, because it's going to expand. So we don't want the fish to spill open in the oil. Hence she's covering it and rolling it like so. So that we've done some before, so that's just it. And so, and yeah, I like to use meat pie cutter for another shape. If you don't want the long one, you can also use this meat pie cutter for your fish pie, your fish roll. This is the fish pie. The first one is fish roll. Sure, you get the difference. So that's just the difference in it. Is the cutting that is the difference between the fish pie and the fish roll. You get what I mean? So that is just that for that. So yeah, I'm as well using my egg to band the edge so it doesn't split open while I'm frying. So I'll just allow you watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. If you have watched up to this point, support my channel, support my growth, and yeah, I'll see you when I start frying. So yeah, I put my oil on fire, allow it heat up a bit. I'm just testing it here. Then I drop it in. Please do not overcrowd your pan. I fried 4 at a time here because they will still rise. So you don't need to overcrowd it. And fry till golden brown or till your own desired brownness is achieved. You get what I mean? So that's what we did here. We fried for like 5 to 6 minutes, and this was done after that. So yeah, fry on low heat please, so that it can cook through. So yeah, this is what we have here. So at this point I brought it out of the oil.